Today we're at Rosewall Creek. So as you can see behind me, the falls here. It's chilly out. It's about an hour and a bit walk in, but it's going to be interesting. It's going to be fun. It's going to be a bit of a challenge. The water's cold. I'm not walking in it, so I'm not going to adventure out in that one. It looks too cold, but I think most of today is going to be using a telephoto lens. We'll see what happens. So there's two things I'm trying to do here. One, and the most important one, is I'm trying not to fall off the rock I'm sitting on. It's very slippery out here. I've already slipped the boot down into the water, but I didn't get wet, so I'm happy on that side of it. But if you look at my photo here, as we try and look through here, we're looking for kind of leading lines. So I've got the rock coming in here, and the water leading me up to the actual waterfall. So I've got the rock here leading me up to the actual waterfall. So I'm trying to make sure that that's kind of a leading line, but I'm also covering off with levels. So if you look at the image, the first rock is the first level, second level, and the third level, trying to give the image some depth. So that's what I'm trying to do. So we're going to be here a while. Hopefully this will all work out. Very, very quiet. Over here is a photographer working. Very, very quiet. Okay, so there's another trip done. We've just completed Rosewall Creek. It's very icy and slippery in here. It's not an easy walk around. So, you know, if you're coming in and it's March, I'd be careful. That's why Lars has got his sticks with him. Well done. And we're off. So once again, see, told you, slippery. Once again, don't forget to subscribe. And if
we'll see you on down the trail.
well, there's a good one. I like that. That's a good saying. Say that again.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on down the trail.
I'm not sure if you heard that, but as Lars said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you on down the trail.
Don't forget the share part.
Oh yeah, share.